The Air Max 90 Safety Orange joins Nike's Fall 2025 collection, offering a Halloween-tinged update at a $135 price point. This version opts for a triple black base, with bright orange accents applied to the tongue tag, heel branding, and air unit for a striking yet subtle contrast. While the Air Max 95 grabs attention through high-profile collaborations like Levi's and its 30th anniversary celebration, the 90 continues to evolve with understated strength. Tinker Hatfield's iconic design doesn't need louder redesigns, it thrives on thoughtful tweaks. Patta's Waves collab added flair to the European scene, but Nike's inline offerings, like this one, speak to the Air Max 90's enduring appeal. This safety orange drop may not make headlines, but its seasonal tones, clever color blocking, and heritage structure prove that the silhouette still matters. As the 95 gets its shine, the 90 stays dependable, always stylish, always in the rotation.